Hello everyone, now we are going to solve this problem. Y equal to 2 root of cot x square. Here we supposed to use the chain rule. Y means root is there, then cot, inside cot we have a x square function. Okay, we'll check it out. Now y dy by dx, 2 comes as it is. Actually when constant is there alone, if you differentiate it will become 0, but this 2 comes along with the function, so it's rewrite as it is. Now we are going to differentiate for root first. So we know already root x is nothing but differentiation of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. Here we have root x, but here we have cot x squared. So 1 divided by 2 root of cot x squared. So now we finish the differentiation of root. Next we have to differentiate the cot. So chain rule comes here, root we completed. Now we have to differentiate cot divided by dx. dy by dx equal to this 2 will get cancelled. Now 1 divided by root of cot x square will be there into cot x. If you differentiate cot x, differentiation of cot x is nothing but minus cosecant square x. That will substitute here. So here minus cosecant square. We have x here, so we are writing x here, but here we don't have x, instead we have x square, so we will write x square. That's it. Next. Now we differentiated cot, next we have to differentiate x square. So differentiation of x square divided by dx. Now dy by dx equal to 1 divided by cot we can split. How we can split? Cot is nothing but cos by sin. Cos x square by sin x square. Simply we splitted the cot. Cot is nothing but cos by sin. Next. This minus will bring it to front. Minus. Then cosecant square, how we can write? 1 divided by sin square x square. So we know already cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin. So here we will differentiate. When you differentiate x square, it will become 2x. So dy by dx. Now here this root entire things comes as a denominator. When we have a main division, under that we have a subdivision that we can write as a reciprocal multiplication, that we are going to substitute now. And one more thing what we are doing is we are going to split this common root into 2 different roots. So root of the minus will write it root of sin x square divided by root of cos x square into, now here sin square x square is there. Usually when you have a square, how you can write a into a? Other way, a square we can write this a, we can split into root a into root a into a. This way also I can write it. No, this is nothing but the entire thing is nothing but a square, is it? Same thing we are going to substitute for the sin square. So what I am doing, first sin I will write sin x square the root into sin x square the root into sin x square. Same way, root a square of you are writing root a into a. Same way, sin square x square of you are writing sin root of sin x square into root of sin x square into sin x square. Now 2x, write that 2x. Now dy by dx equal to minus this root sin x square and root sin x square will cancel. So minus is there, we will write minus and 2x will bring it in the front, divided by root of sin x square and root of cos x square is there, that both will combine. First we will bring the sin x square, we will write, and then we will write the common root sin x square into cos x square. That's it. Now we know the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. This is trigonometric formula. Here if you check, we have sin theta cos theta. Here instead we have sin x square into cos x square. Only thing is 2 is missing here. So we will take the 2 this side. So sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta by 2. That will substitute here. So dy by dx equal to minus 2x divided by sin x square into root of sine 2, instead of theta we have x square here, divided by 2. That's it. Actually speaking, here itself we got the differentiation values, but why we are doing this modification means to get the textbook answer. Do remember that. Okay. Now, so this 2 is there in the division of division, so we will take it to the numerator. Then dy by dx equal to minus 2x. This 2 comes in the numerator. Root 2 divided by sine x square root of sine 2x square. The final answer will be dy by dx equal to minus 2 root 2x divided by sine x square root of sine 2x square. Any doubt, students?
No, ma'am.